In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the video ratio on Kapwing. Kapwing is a versatile online video editing tool that's perfect, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned content creator. Changing the video aspect ratio is an essential skill for optimizing your content for different platforms and ensuring it looks its best, no matter where it's viewed. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to adjust your video or photo aspect ratio with ease. Let's dive right in. To begin, make sure you have your project opened in Kapwing. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate to your media file within the project. Whether it's a video or a photo that you're working with, go ahead and click on it. This selection is crucial because it tells Kapwing which media asset you want to edit. It's good to always ensure you're working on the correct file, especially if your project contains multiple clips or photos. Once you've selected your media file, your next step is to find the crop option. You'll usually see this option in the toolbar on the right-hand side or sometimes above your media, depending on the Kapwing layout you're using. Clicking on Crop will initiate the cropping tool, which allows you to make precise adjustments to your media's dimensions. After opening the crop tool, you'll be presented with various options for adjusting the aspect ratio. Since we're focusing on changing the video ratio to 9:16, look for this option among the preset crop aspect ratios. The 9:16 ratio is particularly popular for platforms like Instagram Stories, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts because it aligns perfectly with how people naturally hold their phones. Make sure you select the 9:16 ratio by clicking on it. Once the 9:16 ratio is applied, you might need to adjust the framing to ensure all your important content is within the new dimensions. Kapwing does a good job of adjusting this automatically, but always double-check and drag to reposition if necessary. This step is essential in maintaining the impact of your content, keeping the right elements in focus so your message gets across clearly to your audience. And that's it. With your video or photo now perfectly resized to the 9:16 aspect ratio, you're ready to export it and share it on the desired platform. Remember, changing the aspect ratio isn't just about resizing your video. It's about optimizing your content to meet the requirements of each platform, ensuring that your viewers have the best experience possible. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're now more confident in using Kapwing to adjust your video ratios. Don't forget to explore other features Kapwing offers to make your projects stand out even more. Thanks for watching and happy editing.